Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to configure a proxy in Senuke. Let's get started. Begin by downloading the program, logging in, and launching it. Within the workspace, navigate to the top menu and select Options. Locate the Proxy tab within the Options menu. As you can see, I have a list of proxies. To configure your own proxies, click on Add Proxy List. Even if you are working with just one proxy, you can still add it using this method. On the left side, enter the proxy's IP address and port, separated by a colon. If you are using a personal proxy instead of a free one, enter your username and password on the right side in the respective fields. Once the details are entered, click Add Proxy List to finish the adding process. Now you have the option to test all proxies or only the ones you've just added. Click on Test Proxies and select the appropriate testing option. After the testing, the results below will indicate the number of operational and non-operational proxies. That's it. Save changes and you are ready to start working with Senuke. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, ProxySale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.